Hey everybody, it's Gordon. Welcome to the bench, part 2 of the deep sea edition. If you didn't see the first video, go back and find it. It's on my channel. It was an eBay purchase from overseas. Somebody pulled a plane out of the bottom of the bay or wherever it was, underwater, barnacles, the whole bit. On a side comment or somebody made a gesture jokingly about, hey, here's a fixer-upper. I bought it as a challenge, had it shipped to the US, and you saw the thumbnail. I redid the furniture. I have not done the plane. I'm not a plane guy in terms of metalwork and refinish and all the cool things that people do. But I'm a furniture guy. So this was the challenge, and now I have this little beast, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with it other than just leave it like that out of contrast. But there's nothing instructional for me to share. I will show you what I did real quick with a couple clips, but I really didn't know where it was going to go. I really didn't know if it was going to be worth saving, but the challenge was there. It was on myself. I was challenging myself, and the whole message in this video is to challenge yourself. Do try is the message. Do try. If you think you can't, you say you can't, then you can't. But if you take a positive attitude, do a little homework, prepare yourself, give it a try. You always learn, you always get better. I learned a few things along the way with this one. It's a Hilka plane, and if the Hilka people knew what I did with this, or they saw it in its previous condition, they see it now, maybe they don't want to stick it on a commercial, but a high quality woodwork, high quality finish, preserved this impeccably. There's not a chip, there's not a crack. I didn't repair anything. All I did was deep clean it. I used oxalic acid, which is something I don't normally do. I did a little research and decided I would try and get some of the sea grunge smell out of it. So I did that, I soaked it, I dipped it in acetone too. There's no coloration, there's no prep, no chips, no cracks, no repairs. Refinished it and put it back on the plane. So is it ready for use? No, it's not. Is it ready for the trophy case? Probably not. But the only thing I can think positive out of this is I'm going to take it to the Midwest Tool Collectors Association meet here in Raleigh, North Carolina. That's coming up this month. I'll set it on my table and we'll see what kind of reactions we get. But if you want to see it in person, show up to the MWTCA meet. And if not, thanks for following along. I really appreciate it. I know, again, there's nothing educational here, but kind of a fun challenge. Challenge yourself, get out there, find a plane, and fix the furniture. Thanks for watching.